This is Zarafa Camp, which is located in the Linyanti Selinda area of Botswana, which is part of the greater Okavango Delta ecosystem, just east of the delta. Before we go inside, let's check out what's outside. So here's the deck of the room with a plunge pool. See the room in here? Beautiful view of the lagoon in front of our room, which is known to harbor local resident elephants in particular, but hippos and other animals as well. So let's take a look inside. So this is the main study area. Some nibbles, alcohol, tea, little fridge. Here's the desk. Here's the bedroom. The brass tub. Very colonial style decor and furnishings. You have the shower here. There's a electric stove that warms the room when it's cold. And here's the vanity and the wash basin. And over here is the closet, dresser, storage area. And then here's the toilet. So there you have it, Zarafa Camp in the Linyanti region of Botswana.